Well, hello guys, this is Dom from Diamond Shine. So guys, I'm so excited to tell you that I have finally launched the one-on-one candle making sessions, guys. So this is for those people who do not like those group style. I mean, you just be like, I don't know what's going on. I can't make my candle I got no hot throw. It's just not working out. Just please. Ah! If that is you, then the one-on-one candle making workshop will work just for you. The only thing you have to do is go in the link in the description box and book it. Before we have our meeting, I do want to tell you that we do have to meet for a 15-minute Zoom session where I will tell you your list of supplies. I pretty much coach you and let you know, what kind of wax to get, what kind of wicks to get, because I don't want to just give you a supply list. I mean, you are launching a business, right? Yeah. So I want to make sure that you have everything you need to be successful. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to go in the link in the description box and book that session, guys. Book it. You have a calendar. You have everything you need on the website to book that session, and you will be hearing from me. And also, guys, don't forget the dessert candle class is going down this weekend. Yes, it is. And the 10 class is going down this weekend. So if you go inside the description box and go into live classes, you will not be disappointed. The 10 classes are very simple, very easy. And if you miss the supply list, the time, the cutoff, don't worry about it. Just come and take notes. And if you're taking notes, you can just pretty much go and make that same candle when your supplies come in. So don't miss out on these great opportunities, these great workshops where you can come and be successful and be the business owner that you have always prayed to be. All right.